Welcome, in front of me is a TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I will show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. To get started, you'll want to open up Contacts application, like this one right over here. Next, we're gonna navigate to the settings, and we want to select Import Export Contacts from the very bottom. Now we're gonna select where we want to import our contacts from. As you can see, I have a bunch of different options that I can choose, things like Google accounts, phone, SIM card, and storage. I want to do it from the SIM card, so this is what I'm gonna be selecting, mobile something, that's just the name of the card. And now I can select where the contacts will be imported to. I'm gonna choose phone. This in turn shows all the contacts that are located on my SIM card, and I can quickly select all of them by clicking on this box right here. And maybe I want to deselect some contacts, which you can do so. Once everything is selected the way you want it to, click on OK, and this will automatically import all the selected contacts, which you could now find them in the contacts list right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.